In this video, we will see another example of declaring a variable in one line and initializing the same variable in another line. Create a new Java file. Class B, public static void main string arg. We are going to experiment with the string I is equal to first, then we are trying to declare it, right? First we are trying to declare it, then we are initializing the same variable I is equal to first. So this is the declaration part. We are declaring in one line at line number 5, and here we are initializing the I for the very first time. Okay, at line number 6. Now I'm just trying to print I system.out.println. I'm just trying to print I. Now the same I am reinitializing with second, means the value, right? We are supplying this value second within the pair of double quote, or simply we are calling it as quote. Now the same thing I'm trying to print I. Save this file with the name as P, uppercase P. Come to the command prompt, try to compile this. Okay, there is a typo. Cannot find symbol, right? I need to give string. Here a typo is there. Go to the file and fix it. String. It is a name of the class. String is a class. Save it for any changes that you have made to a Java program or this particular file. You need to save, and then you need to compile it once again. After that, you are ready to run this program if you don't have any syntax error. Run this program, and what we are getting here, that is first and second, that is the value. For the first time, we have initialized the value, sorry, the variable I with the value first, and then we have reinitialized the same I with the value second, okay, with the string value second. That is what we are getting here. So this is another example of declaring a variable in one line and initializing the same variable in another line. And it is the reinitialization at line number 8. And we know that this I is the local variable of this main method, that we can only use this I within the context or within the body of this main method. Thanks for watching.